I said before, I'm going to put the supercharger on there, but I had an issue with this brace right here being in the way. And I've been asking the last video for any kind of advice. Person who subscribed to my channel, and I subscribed to his, he goes by the name The Vulcan. He told me basically to do what I recommended, and that's just make a custom brace where it goes here, comes out, and it goes back here. This right here spins this way and that way, so I can turn this right here and then have a bar go across so I can hook to this, and then I'll have the room for the pulley to go across there. Now I found a video, not really a video, a picture of a 91 Taurus with the M90 supercharger on it. It's this one right here. Now as you can see, there's no brace right here. It has a different way of bracing under the bottom. I looked it up, and it's different because the engine is different. The series of Vulcan has a mount at the bottom for the 91s where you can mount a brace under the bottom. Mine is 2007, and it has the distributor on the valve cover instead of on the back of the manifold, and the bracing is on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the custom bracket right here, move this over so I can brace it, and we'll have room for the supercharger. And it looks like it will fit under the hood because the M90 is about 5 inches tall. You can see right here, you got where it mounts right on top of the factory intake, and with the plate it'll probably raise it up maybe 2 inches, so it'll clear all this and it'll sit higher up, about maybe up here, so it'll be close, especially the pulley part right here because the hood slopes down right here. So I might have to cut a notch, maybe a rectangle notch right here to cover the snout, because it might be close to hitting the hood when the hood is closed. But that's about it. I just ordered some new stuff for the car. You can see right here, this water pump housing is kind of crappy. It's corroded, pitted. I'll get a new one. Getting new plugs and wires. I needed different ones for a supercharged application, about a heat range colder, and I'm going to have to run a bigger gap. So I have to look up the proper spark plug wires for a supercharged V6. And I'm basically going to use the spark plugs from the Ford Taurus Super Coupe that has the supercharged 3.8 liter V6. So that's it. I'm going to have a few unboxing videos coming up soon. Got to order some stuff. Until next video, I'll see you.